Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'll show you how to withdraw money from TikTok in 2025. First, you should go and open TikTok application on your phone, and then you will have to click on your profile icon on the bottom right side. After that, click on these three lines on the top right side here to navigate to settings. Now choose settings and privacy, then navigate to balance. After that, you'll have to click on others right here. Now click on monthly earnings. Then it will show you this message. Just click on this X icon. Then now you will have to click on this card icon on the top right side, then choose payment method, click on this pencil icon. After that, you'll have to click on the bank transfer and choose your country, then enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to your Gmail. And now you will have to enter all your bank details, including your first name, last name, bank account number, SWIFT code, country and region, building number, street address, postal code, email, date of birth, and you should set this account as a primary. And after you are all done, click on submit. And you need to know that after completing your payout information by 14th or 15th of the month, you will get all your payments. So this is how you can actually withdraw money from TikTok. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.